Are we ready?
Yay!
Yes! For Ojai!
Ojai!
Ojai! Ojai! Ojai! I feel like there's pretty much not a bad view in this hotel. The penguins are having a bit of a wrestling match. Kangaroos and wallabies just hanging out. But you ordered wrong.
I know.
This is the win right here. Hey crew, I've got the key to this 25 Ford Expedition, and this weekend my family is taking it on a little trip to Ojai, California, where it's even hotter than it is here, and it's 92 degrees. Speaking of, while I'm talking to you, I'm going to remote start the Expedition because I will hop into that cabin momentarily, so I might as well cool it off right now. Quick little overview. It's a full-size body-on-frame 3-row SUV. This is the standard wheelbase. There's also a max longer wheelbase version. I really like it in this wild green paint job, very military-esque, and it goes well with this performance package, and it's 22-inch gray painted wheels and red painted calipers. The blacked out trim is also much sleeker than chrome and makes for a nice contrast here at the back. I will need to install the car seats for our trip, but I have to wait for Mobile Mama to come home. Nice deploying running board with the kiddos. So for now, let me check out the back seats here. What you didn't see is that the doors automatically unlock because they have the key fob on me. Stepping in with the running board and grab handle makes it nice and easy, even for our kiddos. Behind my own seat, at 6 feet tall, I've got plenty of knee room there, nice large foot pockets as well, headroom above, even with my hat cam on. I do like this panoramic glass roof as well. We've got cup holders, third zone of climate control, rear heated seats, AC outlet, and 2 USB-C ports behind each seat back, plus an armrest. Let's check out the third row. By the way, this is the platinum trim. That's why the seats are covered in leather, and I've got this captain's chair configuration with an alley for me to walk through to get to the third row. And you saw all the legroom I had in the second row. I could cut into that a little bit to give this third row passenger more legroom, but you don't have to because I still have knee room here and headroom above. Plus, I can recline the seat backs a little bit for even more of a lounge. And importantly, I've got air vents up top to cool adults or kids in car seats, and 2 USB-C ports on either side and 2 cup holders. The airflow, graciously, is strong, and these seats are really comfy. All right, I think I've had enough of a break. Time to install car seats. All right, Mobile Mama, the kiddos, and the Grenadier are back, also in a great shade of green, by the way, so I can get to installing car seats. If we had grandparents joining us for this trip, we may want to put a car seat in the third row and another in the second, because there are top tethers on every seat, and 4 out of 5 of those seats also have lower latch anchors. But alas, it's just the 4 of us. So for more utility, I'm going to fold down the third row with these power controls, hit the buttons once, and down they go. Wide opening doors made it easy to get the car seats in, no problem accessing any of the anchor points. Now we just have to confirm this passenger is going to have legroom. In we go. And, oh gosh, yes. There's so much room here. The Expedition, it's family approved. But before the family gets in and we head out, I need to get our bags in the trunk. And with those rear seats already down, that is not going to be a problem at all. We could double the luggage we brought and still have space. Or put a car in a... But it fits. Oh. Fine. Okay, all loaded up. Are we ready?
Yay!
Yes! For Ojai!
Ojai!
Ojai! Ojai! Ojai! Ojai!
Hey, everyone match my energy.
Yes.
Let's go!
It looks like we've got about 3 hours of driving ahead of us, and it's in red.
So it could be longer.
It could be longer, yes. It could be building. We don't even know. So I'm glad that we have the Blue Cruise feature available. So let me turn it on and adjust the speed here. That means it's going to maintain the gap to the car in front of me. It's also going to stay in the center of the lane, and it doesn't need my hands on the wheel to do so. Are you comfortable, Mobile Mama?
I am.
Yeah.
I have good lumbar support.
Same.
I like these soft leather seats. They're supportive. The seats are also heated and ventilated, but we don't need the heat.
We certainly
Not
do
today.
not. I was sweating loading the luggage this morning. I don't need heat for the seats, or there is a heated steering wheel. Not going to use that either. The venting, absolutely.
Yes. I do wish it had a massage function. I thought that was included on the Platinum trim, but I don't think it is.
No, you think Platinum, you think like it's got to have all the bells and whistles, but now Platinum is like a mid-level trim. There is actually the Tremor and the King Ranch above that, and I'm sure massage is on one of those. But yeah, you don't have it here. It's not like the Lincoln Navigator that we were driving.
Yes, but the pricing for this it's a fair price.
I think
I
so.
think low 80s
Yeah.
is great for everything you get. The space, the features. I'm happy with that.
Totally agree.
Can I have my water?
Oh,
Water?
nice asking.
Yes, good asking. Wait.
What?
You don't stay in the passenger princess state. I got this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Send it on
right.
back.
Can you reach
Can you
it?
reach?
No.
Oh, okay. Maybe it's not
We
for kids
have
in
her
car
seat.
seats. Well,
I'll do it.
okay, fine. You do it. Good day, LA.
Your favorite place.
It's really not, but it means we're making progress. It has been a lot of traffic so far, but I think we finally made it past the worst of it. And
Yes.
I've stayed pretty relaxed.
You've been chill.
Yes.
Which is surprising. I'm just kidding.
Hey. It's kind of true. I get stressed out in traffic. But Blue Cruise has been a big help for that. We should probably get lunch though.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
girls need food.
Get out and enjoy the 98-degree
Oh, wonderful.
temperature. It's gonna be so good. But it's a short walk to the Mouthful Eatery, and there's a spot for us right up front, next to the Cyber Yuck. And I'll pull up the forward-facing camera to confirm that we don't make contact with that. And this Tacoma that's not parked all that great, I'll be honest. Got the bird's eye view to help and parking sensors. Let's go eat.
Top 100.
This is fun. We got zucchini sticks. Ooh, zucchini sticks. Oh, hot. Giant piece of grilled salmon. Oh, it's so good. And a non-alcoholic beer for me. No worries. Thank you, Lord, for this food. This is delicious. Back on the road. Almost. Because it wouldn't be a road trip if we didn't forget something like Rose choo-choo, and she is not feeling well, which also is typical for any sort of family trip or vacation. So we're gonna pop in here to Target. That's Home Depot. Where's Target? Target, there it is. I don't think they'll have what we want at Home Depot. To get her a choo-choo. Passy has been secured, and we are descending down into the grapevine. Mobile Mama has opted to stay in the third row. Did you need a break from me?
I just wanted to calm her down.
That's true, yes. We needed to make sure that Ro was feeling better. How are you feeling in that third row?
It's not bad. Well, I have much more leg room than I did in the Navigator because there's nothing in the center here.
Oh yeah,
but-
that console is giant in the second row. And how loud are you having to speak right now? Because I can hear you pretty well.
It's normal tone.
Okay.
So
I'm raising my voice a little bit, but that means that it's not a whole lot louder inside than the Navigator, and I was so impressed with how quiet that was during our trip.
right.
Now, much as I do love looking at your face in the rearview mirror, I wish this expedition, or even the Navigator, had a digital rearview mirror,
Right.
because now I can't see out the back. I mean, I can see off to the side a little
Right.
bit.
Yeah, sorry.
If there was another passenger there, I would be, or if it was filled up with luggage even further, I would be kind of SOL. I can say that the pillars aren't too big of blind spots, and you've got blind spot monitoring, and there is a blind spot camera when you indicate, just to help you change lanes more easily. We made it to the Ojai Valley Inn. I'm so excited.
Eee.
And a quick thank you to Ford for gifting us this opportunity to get away with our fam and just relax. Let's go on in. Ooh, birds. Look at this. An aviary. Fire pits. Golfing that I won't get to do, but that looks beautiful. This is us.
Yeah. Wait,
Whoa, big bathtub.
Huh?
that's a giant bathtub. The biggest.
Double queen life.
I got my suit.
Okay. I feel like there's pretty much not a bad view in this hotel. First stop, the Pixie Pool.
Oh, fancy.
Dining by the pool. Feels so fancy here.
You know who's fancy?
What?
You in those sunglasses. Are those new?
Oh yeah, I didn't show these to you. These are the James Oro Old Money Atlas. They sent them to me. Should I get you a pair?
Sure.
All right. And after the girls have their ice cream, they can play with this backdrop, and we finally get to eat. Today, we are off to Santa Barbara to enjoy the zoo with the kids and eat some good food. Now, on the way there, I feel like I should mention this because I've had enough time behind the wheel of both the Navigator and now the Expedition to have opinions about this kind of closed yoke steering wheel. I don't like it. I got used to it, certainly, but I really just, one, aesthetically, it doesn't look right in a big SUV. Fine if it's a sports car, I guess, but it looks wrong here. And also, I never feel like I've got the comfortable spot to put my hands on it like I would in a normal circular steering wheel. In terms of how it practically maneuvers the Expedition, it's fine. There's not a lot of feedback through the wheel. It's heavily boosted, but the ratio is close enough that I don't feel like there are many instances apart from parking where I have to go hand over hand. As far as the ride is concerned, I've been pleased with the compliance, but it's definitely wallowing over undulations in the road surface. And if you add to that the curves of this road, then Mobile Mama, who doesn't do so well in the back seats, can definitely get queasy. Sorry, babe. What are you gonna?
I'm right here.
Ah! How did you do that? Mobile Mama's back up front, everybody.
Magic.
Anyway, we've just about made it to one of our favorite coffee/pastry spots, Handlebar. With coffee and croissant now in hand, it's time for a stop at Savoy for a proper breakfast. How'd we do, Tully? Good? Yep. Now let's go to the zoo.
What animal is that?
Couple of macaws. Hey, birdies. Red panda. Flamingos. Penguins. The penguins are having a bit of a wrestling match. Kangaroos and wallabies just hanging out. God bless America. Now we're talking. Taking a cat now. And that one grew a beard. Whee! Oh, tigers. The zoo tired out the girls, so while they take a nap in the car, I'm gonna try one of these smash burgers from the window or window. Okay, the crew is awake, but they didn't want smash burgers, so they got Mexican food. Either way, we're all gonna eat here in the trunk. I realize that may not sound exciting, but I'll show you why it's pretty cool. It has a table that is built in to the floor. So I slide this out, pull out the legs, release the holds, line it up, and lock it in. This is the perfect eating height. And I went with the triple smash burger and jalapeno sauce. Moment of truth. So good. I know you were very excited about the Mexican food, but you ordered wrong.
I know.
This is the win right here. The window.
Oh gosh, no.
Now let's cap today off with a real-world 0 to 60 test. I've got my race box set up here to record. I am in the sport drive mode, 4-wheel drive high. Gonna brake boost it, build up those revs, let it go. Whoa! And we're surging to 60 in 5.53 seconds.
Nice.
With a full car, that's cooking. Well, crew, our wonderful weekend away is finally coming to a close, and with just 38 miles of range left, I do need to refuel this 23.2 gallon tank. The Expedition is EPA rated at 15 mpg in the city, 22 on the highway, and 18 combined. However, during our 385 miles with it, we've just averaged 14.2 miles per gallon. And at current fuel prices of $4.49 for the minimum required 87 octane gas, it does perform better, get better efficiency with 91 octane. It's gonna cost at least $104 to fill this tank. But there's capless fueling, which is gonna save me some time. It has been a terrific expedition. Sorry, to Ojai, California. On our highway haul, I loved the de-stressed driving of Blue Cruise semi-autonomous mode. Every seat was comfortable, and Mobile Mama had good space and airflow in the third row. Through the canyons, the Expedition's floatier ride and looser steering feel wasn't my favorite, but the passing power was prodigious from the high output V6. Lunch in Santa Barbara was convenient and kind of cool with the convertible trunk table. On this extra hot weekend, we were grateful for remote start to cool the cabin and seats. Unfortunately, there's a good chance that all that idling with the AC running led to lower than expected fuel economy. This weekend was restful, and the expedition was a terrific transport. I hope you guys have enjoyed this family getaway, and I will see you again next time.